Hello everybody and welcome to Auto Futures Trading. Today's video is on comparing the historical and market replay, which is simulated live trading, performance of breakouts and catalyst. So we're focused on being transparent and using real strategies, and that's why we're making this video, so you can see how they compare, and we can compare between strategy analyzer and market replay. So just to let you know, each strategy uses tick replay, so you can enter and exit as accurately as possible in historical, which is strategy analyzer. That way, testing with it makes results more accurate, unlike with other vendors who don't show all of their results or don't use any kind of granularity. We'll be comparing it with market replay, which is simulated live trading, but in the past. So how that works is you download data from NinjaTrader servers, which contains all the movements at tick level and above for that day, as well as the bid-ask spread, so all level 1 and level 2 data. But yeah, we'll get into it now. This is all, you can test all the strategies for free anyways. You don't have, this is where the license key would go. You don't have to put in a license key. So this strategy analyzer, now both, this is for November 17th to 21st. I'm not trying to show you any flash performance. This is just how it was the last completed week. And then this is breakouts. So I also didn't include any commissions for this because in market replay, I had to set up another commission template. So this is just minimal, but I mean commissions are always fixed. So yeah, this is for the most recent completed week. This catalyst breakout, you can see everything that you need to know: win rates, profit factor, yeah, obviously net profit, max drawdown. And we will be running this in market replay. So this is breakout on the M&Q 1 minute. This is a catalyst on the MES 1 minute, and we're going to replay the full same week, and we'll compare the performance as they go. So we'll start that on max replay, since that would take too long to actually play out on 1x or 5x even, and we'll compare when it's done. So that is the end of the market replay, and we can compare, we'll compare catalyst first, but we can compare the performance. So this actually ended up a little bit better. 5 trades, 40% win rate. Drawdown and net profit are a little different. It's 45 compared to 75 and 590 compared to 616. Now, if we look at the analysis, we can see the analysis in the strategy analyzer versus the live or the market replay. It's extremely similar. This would be a difference with slippage. Yeah, that's a little bit off here, but it's the same line, a little bit different with slippage. Yeah, we compare the trades here, one on the 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st. This is very similar, this is very similar. And this could be a difference with the slippage, the very last trade, which is the most different. Anyways, we can compare some of the trades. That's the strategy performance. We'll just take a look at the last trade since that seems to be the biggest. And it gets bigger since it's using multiple contracts. So a tickage or a slippage of 1 or 2 ticks on a few contracts definitely piles up. So where were we? The very last trade, the 21st. Let's look at the chart. This was here. And as you can see, it was better in market replay. Go to the chart, and we can see that it was historically, it's supposed to enter on the bar open. It moved a few ticks down. It enters on the when it detects the new bar open, which is the new tick, and then there's obviously the market order slippage, but it's the same exit. So that was just a difference of a couple of ticks, and that caused a little bit of difference. Now, obviously, in strategy analyzer, some trades will be better, and sometimes they'll be worse, but it's still, accurate entry and exits are where it is. So that is Catalyst, and then we can go to Breakout. 186 negative. So this is very similar. 190. We'll collapse that a little bit. 190 profit, negative 190 profit, and 1200. Extremely similar. We have 21.43% win rate, and it's the same in market replay. So we can obviously go back to the charts, or we'll see the analysis first. It's just it was profitable in the beginning, went down, and then slightly down again after that. We go to the strategy performance analysis, and you can see it's pretty much the same thing. When we compare the profits, we can see that it's 272 off by $1. This is a single contract. This could be slippage piled up on 3 different trades, and then 186, or compared to 190. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Today has just been a video on the review of the performance. And you can always test free for yourself. You don't need to purchase a license, but even when you do register, you get a 7-day free trial to use the strategies in live and the indicators for 7 days. But thank you for watching, and have a good day.